Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious spinach artichoke dip in your crock pot. This incredibly easy recipe is perfect for any gathering, requiring minimal effort for maximum flavor. We'll start by gathering our key ingredients, including 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1 cup of sour cream, and a 10-ounce package of frozen spinach. Get ready to create a warm, bubbly, and irresistible appetizer that everyone will love. Now, let's get everything into the crock pot. Simply combine your softened cream cheese, sour cream, and a half cup of mayonnaise. Add in the thawed and squeezed dry spinach, along with the chopped artichoke hearts. Stir everything together until well combined. Then, cover your slow cooker and cook on the low setting for about 2 to 3 hours, or on high for approximately 1 hour, until it's hot and bubbly. Once your dip is heated through, it's time for the final cheesy touch. Stir in 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese and 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Continue cooking for another 15 to 30 minutes, or until all the cheeses are completely melted and the dip is wonderfully smooth and bubbly. Give it a good stir, and then it's ready to be served warm with your favorite dippers, like crusty bread or tortilla chips. To elevate your dip even further, consider adding a 1/4 cup of extra grated Parmesan cheese for a richer flavor. For those who enjoy a little heat, a pinch of red pepper flakes can provide a delightful kick. If you're serving this at a party, simply set your crock pot to the warm setting to keep the dip perfectly hot and ready for hours. This recipe typically yields about 6 generous servings, making it ideal for sharing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.